Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. In today's newspaper on Friday, July the 28th, 2023. I forget to mention that next week will be the first Friday of the month, August. We will have a speed test in the Friday edition, yes. But in this additional, we have here first the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars. Well, it's not really a 2 stars. 29 printed digits. We have a 3 stars, not a 3 stars puzzle, because this one has 27 printed digits. Then we have a 4 stars Sudoku, 24 printed digits. Tectonic with 4 stars, 10 digits. Should be a hard one, this one. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one is a 3 stars Sudoku. Well, told you it's not really a 3 stars. By the way, this one is number 6825. Because this one has 27 printed digits. Usually a puzzle with 27 printed digits is a 1 star. For a 1 star puzzle you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, this one has 3 stars. It's indicated with 3 stars, so it should be 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yes, 20 to 30 minutes. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I pick? 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the last row. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the second column. So in the third column, no. Only 2 places left for the 3. Should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so row below, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this column should be there. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 5. Okay. All right. 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 here. And a 6. Okay. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this row. So no 7, 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. Okay. 1, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this last row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 could be here, could be there. And we have a pair here. The 7 and the 6 in this column. The 7 in one of those 2 boxes and the 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay. 197. Alright. 2, 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have 2 and a 4 in the first row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. So here we have 2 missing numbers then, 6 and a 7. And look, we have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 6 then. Alright. 6, 6. 7, 7. 7 in the first row. 7 in the third row. So no row between. Second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 6. Alright. 1, 9, 3, 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the master. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, and 1 and an 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1, 1. Let me see. 7, 8. Need 8 here. Need well, 1 and 8 and 1 and 8. Need to think. Need to think. Need a 5. Need a 9. Yes. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next to only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Here we have also 2. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 8 and 9. Well, 8 and 9. 2 and 4. 1 and 8. 2 missing numbers here. The 1 is missing and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. So the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finishing 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Well, not quite a Sudoku with 3 stars. Not the 2 stars. And not a 1 star because I'm faster than 30 minutes. Yeah, 0 stars. Yeah, let me give this a 0. Well. Anyway, I've enjoyed this puzzle. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Will be a 4 stars puzzle with 24 printed digits. So looking forward solving that puzzle. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.